Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting straight to it. Make sure your AirFiber is powered and your phone or PC is on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Jio AirFiber app or point a browser to the device IP and sign in with the admin credentials. You need firmware current so settings apply correctly. If an update appears, install it and wait for the device to reboot. This step prevents conflicts and ensures the brightness control you change will stick and behave predictably. Next, navigate to display or LED settings inside the app or web interface. That's where brightness controls live. You'll find a screen or LED brightness slider. Move it in 10% steps so you can observe effects without overshooting. Make sure to disable any power saving, auto dim, or ambient sensors because those will override manual adjustments. If the device has separate LED and screen controls, raise both and then wait a few seconds. Finally, save your changes and reboot the AirFiber so the new brightness takes full effect. Then test in bright daylight and dim indoor conditions to confirm visibility. If the brightness adjustments don't stick, restore default display settings and reapply them, and make sure firmware is current. This clears software bugs. As a last resort, perform a factory reset or contact Jio support. If the LED or screen remains dim after reset, it's likely a hardware fault requiring repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.